Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this vlog we are going to be fitting a rear diffuser to this F20, which is the facelift version. So it's only the rear diffuser on this one, so it's just going to give you guys at home a step-by-step installation guide on how we do this here at Kits UK. Right, on this particular F20, we are going to be replacing this diffuser face here. So that includes removing the reflectors, swapping that over into the new diffuser as well. Now it's having a dual exit, so this car is going to be going down to our dedicated exhaust conversion specialist, and it's going to be having the M140 style exhaust rear section on the back. So we need to put a dual exhaust diffuser on this. So I'm going to go ahead. We've only got underneath, if you bring the camera down, Ally. We've only got one 8mm and a push clip either side, and then we're going to be able to pull this diffuser straight off. It's such an easy install. You guys can do this on your driveway at home. So I'm going to go ahead, get those out now, and I'll show you how we pull it off. Okay, that is it. That's all you need to take out from underneath. And then just gently start to pull the bottom. See how it just pops straight off, just like that. Now, what I like to do, I've said it on other videos as well, I just like to get some fingers behind the diffuser. I like to push on the body of the car as well. It just stops any strain on the paintwork. So the centers, they're really tight on these, so I'm just going to go side to middle. Keep it as straight as possible, and there we go. That is it, diffuser off. So on here, if you just come in with camera, I don't know if you can see from that angle. So all we're going to do, we're just going to take this reflector out. So just going to press there, push forward, and that, as you can see, is going down that way. I pull the reflector upwards, reflector out. Those are going to go in the new one, which I'm going to show you in 2 seconds. And that is our new diffuser. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to put the reflectors in this first, and then we are going to put that onto the car. All the way down, and then just push it in. Now, most of the aftermarket diffusers will not clip in, right? This is standard, which is why we've got these little screw holes at the back. So we're going to put some screws in the back there just to pull the reflector in so that it's not getting loose in any way, shape or form. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. Right, so we'll just put this screw in, pull it in, nice and tight. Same for this side. Don't really need this side because it's hooked in, but I do like to put it in just for a bit of added security. And then what we're going to do, we're going to offer this diffuser up to the car because it is a single exit. There's a chance it might not come out of this hole. So if it doesn't, I'm going to cut the exhaust. That is reflectors in, so as you can see, we're ready to go. Towing eye covers up there, we'll get that on last. So I'm going to offer this up. Hopefully the single exit is going to come out of here. If it doesn't, we're cutting the exhaust, then it's going back down to the exhaust place straight away. So let's see how we get on. No. So if you look here, you can see exhaust ain't quite lined up. So we're going to cut that exhaust and just allow him to get down to the exhaust place, and then yeah. Okay, so exactly the same in reverse. So we're just going to get our clips lined up. I like to line them up just on this edge here because that gives you a good. Just pop that one in, and that gives you a really good guide as to where the rest are going to go, and that one as well. So everything else now should be lined up quite nicely. Be careful of these edges, you don't want to go scratching your paint. Push it in. Nicely clipped in. Leave the centre till the end, and just make sure that your clips are over there. That's on nicely, so you can see how the centres are out. Let's just get up and get behind it, just so that we can get them in. just nice and steady like that. Just get your hand behind the clip. That's it, make sure the clip goes in. And that's it, I'm happy with that. So we're just going to put our 8mm and our push clip back in the bottom, put the towing eye cover on, and then this customer's good to go back to the exhaust place so he can get his dual exits. Everything in reverse. So you hit the cradles. I'll take that back out, it's not quite going. And that's it, done, fitted. So this customer's good to go. Got a bit of a wobbly exhaust for now until he gets down to the exhaust place. But I'm pretty sure he'll be happy. We'll get the customer to send us some pictures of the finished product once he's had the exhaust done. But other than that, yeah, he's good to go. So we're going to put that towing eye cover in now. I'll quickly show you how to do that because that can be a little bit annoying. That goes in that little groove. And then make sure that is the bottom is going in there first. And then just make sure that your clips are lined up to go in the top. Sometimes the clips can, this is what I mean by pain, they can be a little bit thick on these edges here. If that is the case, which I don't think it is because these are quite big, then just trim them down a little bit. Get that one in there, and then that one in there. And that is it, that's the exhaust, oh sorry, the towing eye trim fitted, diffuser done. Customer's good to go. So if you guys need anything at all to do with the 1 Series F20, this is a facelift version. We can do the pre-facelift version as well. A little bit more difficult to get the parts, but we can get them. Drop a comment, drop a like. We're on WhatsApp, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. So this is it for this video. See you on the next one.